Hello mathematicians, this is just going to be some basics on expressions and equations. So we're looking at this as 3x plus 5, okay? And the first thing I want to talk about is this x right here. This x right here is not a multiplication symbol, okay? This is not a multiplication symbol, this is a variable, okay? This x right here is a variable. And variables are just letters or symbols used in place of a quantity we don't know yet. So when we're doing any sort of kind of basic algebra, you'll see a variable, okay? So it doesn't need to be x. X is probably the most common variable you'll see, but it can be any letter or symbol, okay? Next thing I want to talk about is this 3 right here. And this expression right here, the 3 is our coefficient, okay? And a coefficient is any number used to multiply a number. So in this situation, the coefficient of 3 is multiplying our variable. So this means 3 times x, so 3 times our variable, okay? And this 5 right here, this is our constant. And a constant is a number that stays fixed in an expression. So this is not going to change. No matter what, this 5 is going to stay constant right at 5. So just an overview of what we've talked about. Our 3 is our coefficient, our x is a variable, and our constant is 5. And these make up the terms of this expression. Now a term is a number by itself or the product of a number and a variable. So 3x, so our coefficient of 3 and our variable of x is one term. And 5, our constant by itself, is another term. So 3x is a term and 5 is a term. So 3x plus 5 is an expression, okay? There is no equal sign, it is just an expression. 3x plus 5 equals 17 is an equation. There's an equal sign between the two. So you could solve for x in an equation. An expression, there is no equal sign. So that is just some of the basics on expressions and equations. I hope after watching this video you will start to understand a little bit more about them.